Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Open the Cash App app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see several icons at the bottom. You will see an investing icon with the symbol of Bitcoin. Tap on the investing icon. On the investing screen, you will see two tabs. Stocks and Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. Tap on the tab which says, Buy, at the bottom. On this screen, select the amount, or, if you would like to enter a custom amount, tap on the three dots. In this example, I am going to purchase Bitcoin worth $1. So I am going to select $1. Once you select the amount you would like to purchase, tap on Next, at the bottom. Since I am purchasing Bitcoin for the first time, it wants me to set up a cash PIN for added security. Go ahead and set up a PIN of your choice. On this screen, you will be able to see your transaction details. Once you verify all the details, tap Confirm. That's how you purchase Bitcoin using Cash App. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.